All right, guys, what's up? Alec back with another stock market investing video. Today we have an amazing update. We have 5.64% up today, 529 bucks. Check it out, guys. We're about to break 10K here. So I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. And if you're not having an amazing day, reach out to me, because if you want my portfolio to look like your portfolio, I have a close friends list that actually shows all my buys and sells. But today I want to kind of go over some stocks that I'm in. I want to show you guys, it's like lightning quick, just a quick update of like what I'm in right now and what's working for me. So here, first thing you'll see is my BCA call up 26%. I sold a few different calls for up 50% today. One was BCA, the other was JWN. Other than that, you'll see Facebook is up only a little bit today, but overall we're up 39% on them. Apple, you'll actually see if you scroll down, up 6% on Apple. Amazon, up 4% on Amazon. Tesla, we're up 20% on Tesla. So all these numbers on the right, you see this is my total percent change. If you didn't know, you can click on it, and then you can actually click which one you want it to display as. So after that, we'll have Google, and we're up 6% on Google with $600 in Google. Upwork, I own a lot of Upwork on my other accounts, and I've already taken a lot of profit from them too, but we're up 37%, and we've already taken about how much, $400 of profit, right at about $20 a share too. After that, you'll see Foot Locker. We're up about 38% on Foot Locker with $500 in, $2 dividend. Intel, we're up 10% on Intel with another $500. Toll Brothers, we already sold off a lot of our profits, and I own a lot more on my Webull account. We only have about $300 in, up 42%. And here you'll actually see my sells. So you'll see sell, sell, sell. All these have been sells, been raking in my profits. So total, I think it's like $600 in just sells right here, when we're up about 40% on Toll Brothers in just this one account. TPR, Tapestry, you'll see we're up 67%. 76%. I own a lot more of them on my Webull account. And comment below if you guys want to see my Webull account update too on some of these stocks. RVLV, already sold a lot of profits of these. 83% we're up in with $442. And if you scroll down, you can kind of see all my sells. $100 there, $100 here. SPY, which is a great one that mimics the S&P 500. So for SPY, I'm up about 16%, $300 in, $350. Cheesecake Factory's up 5% today at $500 in them. We're up about 44% overall. SPY D is up 3% today. That's a lot for an ETF. I'm up 11% overall, and I do have a lot in SPY D and SPY D on all my different accounts. This is just I think I have like 2,000 total of SPY D. They're one of my favorite ETFs. Berkshire Hathaway, we're up about almost 1% today. We're up 18% total, about $500 in that account. And so the next one is Cirrus Logic, which is going to be looking like a sell soon. It looks like they are going to be their fundamental graph. We have about 13% gain on them with almost $500 in them. Next is BAC, ticker symbol Bank of America, up only 2%, $500 in. DBX, we're down 2% on. AAL, American Airlines, up 4% today, nearly up 8% total with a small amount in. JPM Morgan, we're up almost 7% with $200 in. UAL, United Airlines, we're up about $500. We're up 8% on them. One Life Medical, $200, 7%. SPY V is up about 2% today. We're up about 2% on them. Coca-Cola, we have only $100. We're up 6% on them. Macy's is up 7% today. So it looks like retail is actually having a huge turnaround right now, guys. So I hope that kind of explains of how you can see that I'm up 5.9, almost 6% today. We have a lot of different stocks. So we're not just banking on like just Tesla stock or just Facebook to be doing good. We're very diversified across the board here on a lot of different stocks that we're up on. So you can kind of see all these different percentages that we're up on. And just because I'm up on a stock doesn't mean that you should go out and buy it right now. You should do an analysis. DM me if you want a little bit more information. If you want to follow my footsteps, I'm also running coaching programs. So I hope you guys did like that video. It was a quick one just to get it out there and show you guys an update on my account today. It's a good green day. So remember, don't buy during green days. Try not to buy during green days. Put the less amount of money as you can. And then when it's a red day, a big red day, put majority of your money in. So that's how I kind of make my money. If I see I'm down on Apple and it's a good stock, I'll go ahead and put more money in. So as much as I like green days, I love red days even more because that means I'm going to be getting a fantastic deal if I hold a little bit more. I'm a long-term trader. A lot of these stocks I showed you guys, I've been holding for like 6 months to 12 months. Some of them have only been like a 1 to 2 months, but I am more of a long-term trader. Even my options calls, you'll see that they're even more of a long-term. My expiration date on this option is 12/18 too. And just to reiterate, this is just one of my accounts with 10,000. I have I have 6 accounts total. I'm investing about 35K into the market right now. My other Webull account has just as much as this account. And then my Vanguard account has 12,000 in it. That's more of my private account where I don't really show you guys too much. For Robinhood is the easiest to kind of show beginners because it's the easiest platform to. But I do also have a Fidelity account, a Vanguard account, a Webull, a Robinhood. I even have a Coinbase account and a few others as well. So if you guys want a Webull account update next, which I love my Webull account, it's one of my favorites. I think I'm up like 60 to 80% in the last 6 months or 8 months or so. We can dive into that one next, and I'll show you what stocks I'm in on that one as kind of an update. But I hope that kind of gave you a good update to see how my account's up and what stocks I'm into and what my account looks like too. So smash the like button if you did like it. Share with a friend. Go ahead and comment below on some stocks that you're in. If we have any of the same stocks, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys, remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.